Hello guys, so I'm back with another question, and today's question is how does cholesterol regulate membrane fluidity? So let us look about how does cholesterol maintain the membrane fluidity. Before watching this one, make sure you have watched the video on how does phospholipid regulate membrane fluidity in the same playlist. So the cholesterol basically has a paradoxical effect in maintenance or maintaining the plasma membrane fluidity, right? So it interacts differently with the different phospholipids. Let us look at case 1 where we have cholesterol and saturated phospholipid, right? Saturated means there is no double bond in the hydrocarbon side chain. So in this case, if only saturated phospholipids were present, then we know that the packing would have been tighter and the fluidity would have been low. We know that if the in a cell membrane the amount of saturated phospholipid increases, the fluidity decreases. So this is the normal scene, right? But now if cholesterol appears between these phospholipid molecules, right, we'll see what happens. Now I'm drawing another diagram. So in this case, when this is the outer and inner leaflets of the plasma membrane, the violet color represents the hydrophobic part and red color the hydrophilic. So now you can see that the cholesterol, this green part represents the cholesterol molecules. When they appear between the molecules, there is increase in spacing between these phospholipids, right? The space between the phospholipids increases and therefore this increases the fluidity. So therefore we can say that when cholesterol interacts with saturated phospholipids, it increases the fluidity of the plasma membrane. Okay. Now coming to the second part where cholesterol is going to interact with unsaturated phospholipids, right? So again I'm gonna draw. So as we know that in unsaturated phospholipids there is a bend present on the hydrocarbon side chain because of the double bonds, and this creates a spacing. You see, they cannot get packed tightly because of this bend in their or kink in their hydrocarbon side chain, and their fluidity is already high. As you can see, there is space because of this bend. So in a plasma membrane with high amount of unsaturated phospholipids, the fluidity will be high, right? But now cholesterol is going to appear. What will happen if cholesterol appears between these phospholipids? Let us see. Here is another diagram. So as you can see, if now a cholesterol molecule appears between these unsaturated phospholipids, what it will do is pull them together and prevent further separation of these phospholipid molecules. Okay. And therefore cholesterol, while interacting, right, while it interacts with these unsaturated phospholipids, interacting with unsaturated phospholipids, decreases the fluidity, prevents in increasing, sorry, this will be a downward arrow. So it basically decreases the fluidity while interacting with unsaturated phospholipids. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and join my Telegram channel Neighborhood Medico. Also, if there are any mistakes, make sure to comment in the comment section below and let me know for sure.